Introducing the same different method. Today, we're exploring the same different method, a practical approach for products with lasting effects or limited supply. It involves presenting two samples to panelists and asking them to determine whether they are the same product or different ones. Same different testing is ideal for scenarios where a perceptible difference might exist due to changes in ingredients, processes, packaging, or storage. Let's now explore an example together. Imagine your company produces cookies, and you've discovered a new sweetener to substitute in your current formulation. However, you want to ensure that the sweetness of your cookies remains unchanged. In this case, you can set up a same different test to figure that out. To set up your same different test, first define your objective. Following that, you can proceed to prepare your sample and apply a blinding label to the products. Finally, you must arrange each sample in the proper sequence for a panelist to taste the product, ensuring that each panelist tastes the sample in a separate order. In iQuestion, you can effortlessly select a pre-configured same different questionnaire using one of the templates provided. The questionnaire includes instructions and the appropriate question for panelists to select whether the sample are same or different. iQuestion automatically arranges the samples in a different sequence for each participant. Additionally, there's a remark question included, allowing panelists to explain their choice. Once you've finished your questionnaire, you can generate an auto report that includes the results of your same different test. This report also contains all the information regarding your test, including the outcomes of the same different analysis. Alongside formal statistical tests and models, this analysis includes contingency tables and a summary of the presentation order for inspection. This also includes a paired contingency table for the McNemar test. In iQuestion, you also have the option to perform a more in-depth same different analysis using our analysis tool, iOpenR. In summary, the same different method helps you determine which of two samples has a greater intensity in a specific attribute. You can use these insights to guide future decisions in product development and marketing strategies. Thank you for watching this video.